Okay, solution to the problem discussed, analyzed in before video, in prior video. Okay, so working notes. The first working note what we have to calculate is calculation of ratio. Okay, that is between H Limited, which is a holding company, and minority, that is called as subsidiary. How much they are purchasing? H Limited, they are purchasing 3000 shares. Okay, so how we have to calculate it? We have to calculate in form of total. Okay, how many shares can become? Okay, 50,000 shares divided by 10, so 5,000. Out of that 5,000, how much is been purchased? 3,000 is been purchased by H Limited, so remaining will be how much? 2,000. So that is what is been explained over here. Okay, so 3,000 is remaining with H and minority के पास कितना है? 2,000. So that ratio becomes how much? 3:2. Cancel these zeros, remains what? 3:2. That will become a ratio between H Limited and minority. The next calculation part is very important, that is your the minority chart. So share capital 50,000 we have to consider only and only of Yes Limited. Okay, so 50,000 we have to distribute in the ratio, that is 3:2. That will come down to how much? 30,000 and 20,000. General reserve. Okay, when they were purchasing it was 10,000. Total general reserve was 15,000. That will become 10,000 will become what now? Pre-acquisition general reserve, and then the next one remaining is what now? 5,000. So 15,000 is total general reserve. Out of that pre-acquisition ka 10,000, next one will be post-acquisition. This 10,000 should be distributed between 3:2 and 5,000 also in 3:2. Profit, total profit was 10,000. When they are acquiring, it was called as pre-acquisition, so that is 5,000, and the remaining will become a post-acquisition. 5,000 should be distributed in 3:2, 5,000 should be distributed 3:2, which we have to do the total of it. So that will, this 30,000 is called as what now? Minority interest. Okay, next note we have to calculation of gross goodwill. So cost of acquisition, how much it was been purchased for? The purchased price was 45,000. Purchase price was 45,000. How much it should be? So 3,000 into 10 it should be. 3,000 into 10. So they would have purchased it for 30,000, but they purchased it for 45,000, more than the amount they purchased. So whatever they paid extra to Yes Limited, that will be called as what now? Gross goodwill. 3,000 into 10. The next we have to calculation of capital reserve. Only we have to consider pre-acquisition general reserve, pre-acquisition profit. Only this we have to consider. That is what? 6,000 pre-acquisition and pre-acquisition ka 3,000. Post-acquisition we have to consider it in your balance sheet. This and this column we need not consider it. Clear with this? So that is pre-acquisition 3,000 and pre-acquisition profit is 3,000. So capital reserve will become how much? 9,000. The next one will be what? Calculation of goodwill or capital reserve. So from note 3 whatever we got it, so from over here that will be what? Gross goodwill will be 15,000 and capital reserve will be from this note, that is what? 9,000. So that will become what now? 9,000. Net goodwill will become 60,000. So this will come for 5 marks still over here. Thank you students. We'll do analyze once again in your Zoom class. Thank you.